Hello everyone. This is Sophie from ContactBook.app. And today I am gonna show you how to install ContactBook for your G Suite organization. ContactBook is a G Suite marketplace app, which helps in keeping shared contacts across your G Suite organization. First of all, you will need to install the application from G Suite Marketplace. Go to ContactBook.app and click on How to install. Click on Marketplace link from the first step. Then click on the Install button. It will redirect you to Google Login. Now, to install ContactBook, you will need G Suite administration rights. So if you are not a G Suite administrator, you can ask your G Suite administrator to watch this video tutorial. Sign into Google with G Suite administrator account. The page will now show two options to install. Click on the main install button on that page. When you continue, it will redirect you to permissions page. Please provide necessary permissions by Accept button. In order to complete installation, you need to follow next steps as well. Click on Complete Additional Setup Now button. It will redirect you to Google Login page where you need to sign in again using your G Suite administrator account. You will now see ContactBook interface. Congratulations, ContactBook is now successfully installed for your G Suite organization. Now you can easily share Google Contacts with your team members. Thanks for joining me. See our next video on how to use ContactBook for your G Suite organization.